If you're wondering why Java is still a big deal, let's have a look at it. Java is everywhere, quietly running behind the scenes of the world's most popular application services. From banking apps to Android phones, Java powers technology that billions of people rely on every day. And the beauty of it, you write your code once and it can run anywhere, on Windows, Linux or Mac, thanks to the power of the Java virtual machine. But Java isn't just surviving in this modern world, it's actually thriving. Whether it's creating microservices using Spring Boot, working with big data tools like Apache Hadoop, or even AI-driven application, Java is right there at the heart of it all. And if you're thinking about your future, this is definitely a career-safe choice. Java does remain to be one of the most in-demand languages across the global markets. And when it comes to tools, Java has you covered. You've got mature frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, powerful IDEs like IntelliJ, Eclipse, NetBeans, build tools like Maven and Gradle, which make the process of development much more easier and also enjoyable. And the best part is Java is actually quite beginner friendly. Java's clean syntax and strong foundation in object-oriented programming make it an excellent choice for anyone who is interested in learning a new programming language. And as you grow, so does Java. It's built to handle everything from simple scripts to even the most sophisticated, complicated projects, running at massive scale. So if you're ready to build some real-world applications using Java, this is where we start. Let's get into it, shall we?